Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Hello mga viewers ug subscribers! Kumusta kamong tanan? Welcome ug balik sa akong channel. This is Mardy and today's adventure, we're exploring a piece of history that's been standing tall for centuries and one of the Philippines' most incredible hidden gems, the Sheikh Karimul Maktoum Mosque in Tawi-Tawi. Dili lang kini basta-basta nga moske. Kini ang pinakakaraan nga moske sa tibuok Pilipinas o sa Southeast Asia. Built all the way back in 1380. It survived centuries of history, wars, and even fires. And guess what? We're about to dive into its epic story. Check out its sacred 400-year-old pillars and explore why this place holds so much cultural and spiritual significance. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So come on and join me. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Sa layong barangay sa Tubig Indangan nga nahimutang sa kasing-kasing sa Simonol, Tawi-Tawi, ang Sheikh Karimul Maktoum Mosque nagbarog isip usa ka timaan sa dato nga kabilin ug lalom nga espirituhanon nga ugat sa komunidad sa mga Muslim sa Pilipinas. Kini usa ka dapit diin ang kasaysayan, pagtuo ug kultura naghiusa nga naghimo niini dili lang nga moske apan usa-usab kabuhi nga simbolo sa Islamikong kagahapon sa Pilipinas. Ang istorya niining sagradong moske nagsugod sa tuig 1380. Usa ka panahon diin ang mga hangin sa kausaban nagsugod sa pagkutaw sa tibok Southeast Asia. Sumala sa lokal nga sugilanon, si Sheikh Karimul Maktoum, usa ka Syrian Arab trader ug Sunni Sufi scholar ang unang miabot sa rehiyon. Ang alamat nagasugyot nga iyang gidala uban kaniya ang mga pagtulunan sa Islam. Nagpaambit sa mensahe sa kalinaw ug panaghiusa sa mga tawo sa Tawi-Tawi. Ang moske nga iyang gitukod nahimong labing unang dapit sa pagsimba sa mga Muslim sa Pilipinas, nga naghimo niini nga labing karaan nga moske dili lamang sa nasud apan sa tibok Southeast Asia. For centuries, the mosque stood as a beacon of faith, guiding generations of Muslims in their religious practices. The ancient pillars within the mosque were once believed to have been part of the original structure from 1380. However, as time passed, the ravages of history began to take their toll. In 1941, during the tumult of World War II and the Japanese occupation of the Philippines, the mosque was tragically burned down, leaving behind only the memories of its former grandeur. Apan bisan pa nga ang orihinal nga building na himong abo, ang espiritu sa kabilin ni Sheikh Karimul Maktoum milahutay. Sa 1960s, usa ka bag-ong moske ang gitukod sa parehas nga sagradong nataran, rising from the ashes of its predecessor. The current structure, while newer, holds within in the echoes of centuries of worship, devotion, and community. One of the most remarkable features of the mosque is the set of 4 pillars found within the present structure. These pillars, though not part of the original mosque from 1380, are treasures in their own right. Studies conducted by the National Museum of the Philippines have confirmed that they date back to the 17th century, making them over 400 years old. These ancient pillars are revered not just for their age, but for their status as the oldest known Islamic artifacts in the entire Philippines. In the hearts of the local community, these pillars are sacred, embodying the strength and resilience of the Islamic faith in the region. Isip pag-ila sa kahinungdanon sa kasaysayan ug kultura, ang moske gideklarar nga National Historical Landmark sa National Historical Commission of the Philippines. Sa usa ka seremonyas nga gipahigayon niadtong November 7, 2023, a historical marker was unveiled further, cementing the mosque place in the nation's heritage. Kini nga nagpaila usa ka dugay nang gipaabot nga pasidungog sa usa ka istruktura nga nakalahutay sa mga siglo sa mga pagsulay ug kalisdanan, apan nagbarog gihapon isip simbolo sa pagtuo ug kasaysayan. Today, the Sheikh Karmul Makdoum Mosque continues to serve as a spiritual center for the Muslims of Tawi-Tawi and beyond. It is a place where worshippers gather, as they have for centuries, to offer prayers and reflect on the deep history that surrounds them. Every stone, every pillar, and every prayer within its walls tells a story of perseverance, faith, and a shared commitment to the teachings of Islam. The mosque, though scarred by history, remains a symbol of hope and unity, a living monument to Sheikh Karimul Makdoum's enduring legacy. It stands proudly, watching over the land as a reminder of the past, a bridge to the present, and a beacon of faith for generations to come. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Tudor Zeldin, a dream is what makes people love life even when it is painful. Shout out and thanks to the comment of Torix Lumagan. Maraming salamat po. Special thanks to my source from Google, enwikipedia.org, Photo Credits 2, suloonlinelibrary.wordpress.com, and Inspirational Quote Credits 2, lifehack.org.